Ever had that sinking feeling when your favorite tool just stops working? Like, you're in the middle of a project, deadline looming, and suddenly, the digital world crumbles around you. Today, we're diving deep into the question that's been buzzing through the AI community: is Gemini offline? And more importantly, what does that even mean for us? Now, before we panic and start building a digital shrine to our beloved AI, let's understand what offline truly means in the context of a powerful language model like Gemini. It's not like your internet connection suddenly went kaput. Think of it more like a temporary power outage. Gemini, like any complex system, needs regular maintenance. Updates, bug fixes, improvements, these are all part of the ongoing process of making it smarter, faster, and more reliable. Sometimes, these updates require a brief pause in service. It's like taking your car in for a tune-up, a bit of downtime for a smoother ride in the long run. These offline periods can manifest in a few ways. Planned maintenance: Google might announce a scheduled downtime for updates or upgrades. This is usually a transparent process with clear communication to users. Unexpected outages: just like any system, there can be unforeseen technical glitches or unforeseen circumstances that lead to temporary disruptions. Degradation in performance: even without a complete outage, you might notice a decline in Gemini's performance, slower responses, inaccuracies, or even a complete lack of response. This could indicate underlying issues that require attention. So, how do you know if Gemini is truly offline or just experiencing a hiccup? Check official channels. Google's official communication channels, blog posts, social media, status pages are your first line of defense. They will usually provide updates on any planned or unexpected outages. Test basic commands. Try simple, straightforward prompts. If Gemini consistently fails to respond or provides nonsensical answers, it could be a sign of broader issues. Monitor other AI services. If other AI services are also experiencing disruptions, it might indicate a broader internet or infrastructure problem, not necessarily specific to Gemini. What happens when Gemini is offline? Well, the impact can vary depending on how heavily you rely on it. Disrupted workflows: if you're a writer, researcher, or student who uses Gemini for tasks like drafting, summarizing, or brainstorming, an outage can significantly disrupt your workflow. Limited access to information: Gemini can be a valuable source of information and insights. When it's offline, you might have to rely on alternative methods, which can be less efficient. Impact on businesses: businesses that utilize Gemini for customer service, content creation, or data analysis can experience disruptions in their operations. But remember, these offline periods are usually temporary. Google is constantly working to improve Gemini's reliability and minimize downtime. In fact, these temporary outages can even be seen as opportunities. A chance to explore alternatives: an unexpected Gemini outage can force you to explore alternative tools and techniques, expanding your skill set and broadening your horizons. A reminder of human ingenuity: when technology fails, it reminds us of our own ability to adapt, problem solve, and find creative solutions. A catalyst for improvement: these disruptions can highlight areas for improvement in Gemini's design and infrastructure, leading to a more robust and reliable AI in the future. So, the next time you encounter a situation where Gemini seems unresponsive, don't panic. Remember the information we've discussed today, check official channels, and explore alternative solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.